Did you know the average person spends over 6 hours online each day? Now, imagine if you could turn just a fraction of that time into extra cash, simply by watching ads. What if you could make money with the same time you're already spending online? In today's video, we are diving into exactly how you can start earning by watching and clicking ads. You'll discover trusted platforms that actually pay, tips to boost your earnings, and easy cash-out options like PayPal, gift cards, and even cryptocurrency. This side hustle is flexible, requires no special skills, and lets you earn on your own terms. Whether you are looking to make a little extra on the side or want to explore easy, low-commitment income options, this video is for you. Welcome to WealthWise Path. If you're new here and love finding smart ways to earn, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more side hustle ideas and money-making tips. Let's get started. Before we dive into specific platforms, let's understand how ad watching and click ads actually make you money. Companies want their ads to be seen, so they partner with platforms that pay users for views or clicks, creating a win-win. Companies get exposure, and you earn a small amount for each interaction. Here's how it works. After signing up on an ad-watching site, you start watching short ads or clicking on banners. Each view or click earns you a set amount, and while it might seem small, it can add up with consistency. For example, if you earn a few cents per ad and watch multiple ads daily, those earnings accumulate. Plus, many platforms offer bonuses or referral programs where inviting friends boosts your income even more. With a few strategic techniques like timing your ad views or referring friends, you can maximize earnings. Now that you know the basics, let's dive into the top platforms to get started. InboxDollars. Did you know that InboxDollars gives new users a $5 sign-up bonus? This platform is all about simplicity, letting you earn real cash, not points, for watching videos, completing surveys, and even reading emails. With InboxDollars, users typically earn between 1 cent to 4 cents per video. While earnings from video watching alone may be modest, combining it with other activities like surveys and offers can boost your overall income. Consistently using InboxDollars can yield $10 to $50 per month, making it a solid choice for small, steady earnings. One standout feature is InboxDollars cash payouts. No points conversion needed. You can cash out through PayPal or gift cards once you reach a low $30 threshold. TimeBucks. Did you know that TimeBucks allows users to earn in multiple ways, not just by watching ads? TimeBucks is popular for its variety, offering tasks like surveys, slideshows, and social media posts alongside ad watching. This flexibility can make it a rewarding choice for consistent users. Typically, if you focus solely on ad watching, you can expect to make a few extra dollars each month. However, TimeBucks stands out for its added opportunities. Users combining ads with other activities can potentially earn $10 to $100 per month. And with weekly payouts, you won't have to wait long to see the results. TimeBucks also makes cashing out easy, with options like PayPal, Bitcoin, and direct bank transfers. For those looking to boost earnings, try referring friends for a percentage of their activity earnings, or explore the site's regular bonuses and contests. Ready to explore more options? Let's jump into another platform that brings similar benefits and flexibility. Swagbucks. Imagine getting paid simply for watching short video clips. Sounds easy, right? Swagbucks is a popular platform where you can do exactly that, earning points for each ad or video you watch. But that's not all. Swagbucks goes beyond just ad watching by offering various ways to earn, like completing surveys, shopping online, and even playing games. When used consistently, Swagbucks can bring in a monthly income ranging from $10 to $50, depending on your activity level. One of the best parts? Swagbucks has a low cash-out threshold and offers flexible payout options like PayPal and gift cards to your favorite stores, so you're never far from accessing your earnings. For even more rewards, pair ad watching with additional tasks and make use of the referral program. Each SB point you collect brings you closer to cashing out, turning spare minutes into easy money. PrizeRebel. PrizeRebel stands out as a platform that rewards users for simple online activities like watching videos, completing surveys, and more. Known for its flexibility, PrizeRebel allows you to redeem points for PayPal cash, gift cards, and even Bitcoin, making it adaptable to different preferences. With regular use, you could earn between $10 to $50 per month by engaging in these easy tasks. Plus, the low payout threshold means you can cash out sooner rather than later, giving you quicker access to your earnings. To increase your earnings on PrizeRebel, try taking advantage of their referral program, where you can earn extra points from friends who sign up. Combining video watching with other quick activities like surveys and daily challenges is another great way to maximize your points. PrizeRebel's straightforward system makes it a reliable platform for anyone interested in making a little extra money on the side. MyPoints. MyPoints offers a $10 sign-up bonus just for getting started, making it an attractive choice for those looking to earn through everyday online activities. This platform allows you to earn points for watching videos, shopping online, completing surveys, and more. Points can be redeemed for PayPal cash, gift cards, or even travel miles, giving you flexibility in cashing out. On average, dedicated users can earn between $10 and $50 per month by engaging with MyPoints regularly. The platform's low cash-out threshold means you don't need to wait long to access your earnings, which is ideal if you're looking for frequent payouts. To maximize your earnings, consider pairing video watching with MyPoints' other offers, like online shopping rebates and daily polls. Referring friends is another simple way to boost your points. With its wide variety of earning options and low payout limits, MyPoints is a great choice for anyone looking to add a steady stream of extra income. To wrap things up, earning money through ad watching and clicking ads is a simple, low-effort way to bring in extra cash without major time commitments. Whether you're filling downtime or looking for a flexible side hustle, these platforms offer a great way to make the most of your screen time. With the variety of options available, you can choose a platform that best suits your lifestyle and gradually build up your earnings over time. If you're ready to start, try out one of the platforms we discussed today and see which one works best for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Wealthwise Path for more easy income tips, and let us know in the comments which platform you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and happy earning.